the last of their kind. Fatu and Najin, the only female northern white rhinos in the world, are under round-the-clock surveillance in this sanctuary in central Kenya.
Each day we encounter animals whose sizes have become familiar to us, yet there exist extraordinary dimensions that are anything but ordinary. Prepare to be astonished, as these colossal creatures are a rarity in our everyday experiences. From majestic whales to formidable rhinos and hefty hippos, some animals defy the norms of size, perhaps even boasting a gravitational pull of their own. In today's video, we will explore 20 abnormally large animals that actually exist. Number 20. Megalodon.
A random winding trip through the North Atlantic and then returning a year later, almost to the day, to the same spot that they were tagged. So similar behavior from Megalodon makes complete sense.
If, indeed, this is Megalodon.
The Megalodon, hailed as the monarch of sharks, holds the prestigious title of being the largest shark to roam the oceans and ranks among the most colossal fish in recorded history. Envision a world where 50-foot-long sharks navigate the seas today. Being a fisherman in such an era would undoubtedly redefine the profession. The Megalodon dwarfed the largest recorded great white shark by threefold, boasting mouths adorned with 18-inch-long razor-sharp teeth, aptly earning its name, which literally translates to giant tooth. This prehistoric giant wielded a formidable arsenal of 276 large teeth, and its bite force remains unmatched by any creature that has ever graced our planet. Thriving over 20 million years ago, the Megalodon reigned supreme, instilling terror in the oceans until its extinction 3.6 million years ago. Primarily preying on whales and large fish, its colossal size necessitated a substantial intake of food. Imagine the awe-inspiring strength and magnitude required for a predator to hunt the humpback whale. The Megalodon's jaw alone measured between 9 to 11 feet wide, an expanse vast enough to effortlessly engulf two adult humans side by side in a single bite. Undoubtedly, this monstrous creature stands as one of the most commanding predators to have ever dominated our planet. Number 19. Elephant seals. There exist two distinct varieties of elephant seals, the northern and southern, each exhibiting notable differences. The northern elephant seal predominantly inhabits offshore islands around California and Baja California, while its southern counterpart thrives in the subantarctic waters near the Antarctic pack ice, a testament to their preference for a more frigid environment. Not only are southern elephant seals hardier in their habitat choice, but they also boast a significantly longer lifespan compared to their northern relatives. Southern elephant seals may live an impressive 20 to 22 years, whereas their northern counterparts have an average lifespan of a mere 9 years. Today, our focus centers on the southern elephant seal, the largest of its kind on the planet. Male southern elephant seals can reach astounding lengths of over 20 feet and carry an astonishing weight of 8,800 pounds. Truly a remarkable bulk. The moniker elephant seal derives from their vaguely trunk-like snouts. During the mating season, these colossal creatures congregate in massive numbers. It's a spectacle where male elephant seals engage in vigorous displays to win the favor of females. For them, mating season is a fierce competition, with size and girth determining the most desirable mate. Battles between these colossal males can turn quite violent. In the 19th century, the elephant seal faced a perilous threat of extinction due to hunting, dwindling to less than 100 individuals at its nadir. Remarkably, the species rebounded, and their population now hovers around 100,000. The resurgence owes itself to the enormous libido of these magnificent mammals, as they fervently engage in combative rituals to secure their role in the perpetuation of their species. Number 18. Hercules.
There's the big boy right there. Say hi.
Enter the extraordinary realm of the liger, a captivating hybrid born from the union of a male lion and a female tiger. Among these majestic creatures, Hercules reigns supreme, holding the illustrious title of the world's largest liger and earning a spot in the Guinness World Records as the planet's most colossal cat. The name Hercules befits this remarkable feline, measuring an astonishing 10 feet in length and tipping the scales at an impressive 921 pounds, equivalent to the size of a full-grown horse. Survival in the wild would pose a formidable challenge for Hercules, given his colossal proportions. Picture the difficulty of hunting prey when you are unable to find concealment. Yet the question arises, why is he so colossal? In the world of male lions, size equates to significance, with larger being unequivocally better. Male lions carry genetic information that encourages their cubs to continuously grow. Conversely, female lions possess genetic data to regulate this growth, preventing it from spiraling out of control. Female tigers, however, lack the same genetic information as lionesses. Consequently, the amalgamation of lion and tiger genetics results in a liger cub that exhibits an insatiable propensity for growth. Fortunately, ligers are a phenomenon confined to captivity, as tigers and lions do not coexist in their natural habitats. In the wild, the intricate dance of genetics that gives rise to these magnificent creatures remains a rare occurrence, making Hercules a truly extraordinary spectacle. Number 17. Belgian Blue. Meet the colossal Belgian Blue, a behemoth in the world of beef cattle hailing from Belgium. Renowned for its exceptional leanness and hyper-sculpted physique, this breed is often dubbed the double-muscling cow. What sets them apart is not just their sheer size, but a heritable condition leading to the doubling of muscle fibers, rather than the enlargement of individual ones. Adding to their remarkable physique, Belgian Blues possess a unique gene that suppresses the production of myostatin, a protein inhibiting muscle growth beyond a certain point. Essentially, these mammoth animals possess an extraordinary ability to convert feed into lean muscle without adhering to the 2-hour daily gym routine. Despite their intimidating musculature, fear not, for the Belgian Blue is known for its gentle temperament. The double muscling condition not only contributes to their impressive physique, but also results in meat with reduced fat content, a highly sought-after quality in today's culinary landscape. Adult bull weights range from 1,100 to 1,250 kilograms, standing at a withers height of 1.45 meters to 1.5 meters. Notably, individuals surpassing 1,300 kilograms are not uncommon. Female counterparts, the cows, reach weights of 850 to 900 kilograms and heights exceeding 1.4 meters. In essence, these colossal creatures are a testament to nature's ability to produce awe-inspiring, massive animals with a docile demeanor. Number 16. The world's largest rabbit. Meet Darius, the world's largest rabbit, stretching an impressive 4 feet 4 inches in length and weighing 3.5 stone. Under the care of Annette Edwards in Bromsgrove, England, Darius holds the prestigious title, with his offspring, especially Jeff, expected to surpass his size soon. Annette, a 63-year-old resident, proudly reveals the giant bunny's voracious appetites, costing a significant 5,000 pounds annually for their care. They consume 2,000 carrots, 700 apples, specialized rabbit food, and a weekly bale of hay. Despite the financial commitment, Annette emphasizes the joy and companionship these giant bunnies provide, cuddling with them on her couch. Darius and Jeff, both continental giant rabbits, not only hold the title of the largest rabbits globally, but also embody the breed's relaxed demeanor. Their remarkable chill factor makes them not just colossal in size, but also ideal companions, thriving on attention, especially from children. Number 15. The capybara. Meet the capybara, the giant of the rodent world. Unlike typical mice or rats, this colossal creature resembles an oversized guinea pig. Originally native to northern and central South America, capybaras have surprisingly made their way into the swamps of Florida, thanks to lenient laws allowing the ownership of exotic animals as pets. Weighing between 65 to 150 pounds, these gentle giants can reach up to 4 feet in length and stand about 2.5 feet at the shoulder. Despite their herbivorous appearance, capybaras have a unique dietary habit due to their continuously growing teeth, consuming copious amounts of plants and grasses throughout the day. A peculiar aspect of capybara behavior is their morning routine, involving the consumption of their own feces. This unorthodox practice is justified by the alleged high protein content in their morning excrement, serving as a nutrient-rich supplement. This behavior stems from their grass-heavy diet, challenging to digest initially. Eating their own feces allows capybaras to digest their meal twice, extracting maximum nutrition. Despite its peculiar nature, this behavior adds to the many intriguing aspects that make the capybara a fascinating creature in the animal kingdom. Number 14. The Komodo dragon. Meet the colossal Komodo dragon, a lizard that can weigh over 300 pounds and possesses a unique ability to devour up to 80% of its body weight in a single meal, explaining its imposing size. Despite their seemingly cute demeanor, these reptilian giants have ruthless and terrifying murder skills. Komodo dragons, despite occasional appearances of being adorable, have a venomous bite that induces gradual paralysis in their prey. Even if the prey escapes their jaws, the venom renders them helpless, allowing the dragon to commence its feast. Adding to the horror, Komodo dragons occasionally consume humans, showing no discrimination between the living and the dead. These reptiles are known for grave robbing, digging up corpses for a macabre feast. The more putrid and decomposed the flesh, the better. In the wild, Komodo dragons are formidable predators, combining size, venomous prowess, and a taste for the grisly. Number 13. African savanna elephant. Contrary to the long-standing belief in a single African elephant species, recent discoveries reveal two distinct types: the African forest elephant and the African savanna elephant. While closely related, these majestic creatures have unique features, setting them apart. The African savanna elephant, the world's largest land animal, is twice the size of its forest counterpart. It stands at 13 feet, weighing between 2.5 to 7 tons. Distinguishing characteristics include thicker tusks, larger curves, and more triangular-shaped ears. Although subtle, it's advised to approach these giants with politeness if one wishes to discern such nuances. Beyond their physical strength, capable of toppling trees and overpowering even lions, elephants showcase remarkable intelligence. Collaboratively protecting the herd, they leverage collective brainpower, a strategy crucial for survival. Despite global significance, African elephants face critical endangerment, risking extinction. Their demise would impact ecosystems significantly, as they serve as keystone species, influencing habitat and maintaining ecological balance. Preserving their habitat is an essential investment in the vitality of our planet's ecosystems for generations to come. Number 12. The silverback gorilla. The silverback gorilla, the mature male of the mountain gorilla species, gets its name from the silver hair on its back, a clear sign of elder status. Standing at 5 feet tall and weighing about 430 pounds, these massive apes exhibit impressive size and strength, able to lift a dead weight of 1,763 pounds. Gorillas, sharing genetic kinship with humans, are generally considered gentle giants. Aggression is usually triggered by perceived threats or territorial disputes, unlike humans who often initiate conflicts. Gorillas issue clear warning signs when threatened, stamping feet, chest beating, and vocalizations. Most often these signals deter potential threats, avoiding confrontation. However, if warnings are ignored, gorillas resort to biting, scratching, and dragging during clashes, reminiscent of a bar brawl. Understanding and respecting their boundaries is crucial for coexistence with these remarkable animals, ensuring a peaceful relationship with these generally gentle creatures. Number 11. The Galapagos tortoise. Contrary to popular belief, these impressive tortoises are not named after the islands they inhabit. Meet the Galapagos tortoises, named for their substantial shells, with the term Galapagos translating to saddleback in Spanish. Whether it was the tortoises that named the islands or a result of colonial influence remains a matter of speculation. Regardless, these colossal creatures, with shells that resemble saddles, can weigh up to a staggering 700 pounds, all while sustaining themselves on a vegetarian diet of grasses, fruits, and plants. Perhaps the most renowned aspect of these tortoises is their remarkable longevity. Galapagos tortoises have been known to live up to an impressive 150 years. This extended lifespan is attributed to their lack of natural predators once they mature beyond a year and their ability to endure prolonged periods without food and water. However, the main threat to these magnificent animals arises from human activities. Historically, they were hunted for their meat and shells, and in contemporary times, habitat destruction and over-tourism have contributed to a decline in their population. Despite these challenges, Galapagos tortoises stand as gentle giants, exemplifying the resilience of massive animals. Their undeniable charm and endurance make them a truly remarkable species, showcasing the delicate balance between human behavior and the preservation of these incredible creatures. Number 10. Giant Pacific Octopus. Introducing the giant Pacific octopus, the largest among its kind found in the northern Pacific Ocean, ranging from the United States to Alaska and around Japan. These impressive creatures, true to their name, are giants, with an average weight of 110 pounds and a sprawling 16-foot wingspan when fully grown. The record-breaking individual in this species reached an astonishing 600 pounds and a length of 30 feet. In addition to their remarkable size, giant Pacific octopuses are known for their exceptional intelligence, displaying problem-solving skills, jar-opening abilities, and the talent of mimicking other animals. Despite their substantial proportions, they maintain a recognizable reddish-pink coloration. Octopuses, including the giant Pacific octopus, possess a captivating ability to change color, facilitated by thousands of specialized pigment cells called chromatophores beneath their skin's surface. These cells, containing pigments in various colors, allow octopuses to rapidly adjust brightness and seamlessly blend into their surroundings. Interestingly classified as mollusks, octopuses are distant relatives of snails and clams, though they lack the traditional visible shell associated with mollusks. Their internal shell in the head distinguishes them in the mollusk kingdom. The giant Pacific octopus, showcasing size, intelligence, and adaptability, stands as a marvel of the ocean depths. Number 9. The Japanese spider crab. Enter the world of the Japanese spider crab, the largest crabs on the planet, boasting an impressive 10 legs that can span up to a remarkable 12.5 feet and weigh almost 20 kilograms. These colossal crustaceans are of such size that the notion of them consuming a human child becomes a morbid possibility. Masters of camouflage, Japanese spider crabs inhabit depths ranging from 150 to 200 meters, where they employ their surroundings to cover their shells, blending seamlessly into the environment and becoming nearly invisible to potential predators. Living up to 100 years, with some individuals surpassing even that impressive lifespan. These oversized crustaceans are more likely to fall prey to octopuses or stingrays than pose a threat themselves. As scavengers, Japanese spider crabs feed on the leftovers and decaying debris of animals and plants on the ocean floor. Their role as nature's cleanup crew is vital, contributing to the ecosystem's balance. Despite their rather benign existence, legends and myths surround these intriguing creatures. While they may not actively hunt humans, Japanese spider crabs have no qualms about scavenging on any deceased bodies that find their way to the ocean's depths. It's essential to recognize that these crabs are simply going about their business, being large scavengers and fulfilling a critical role in maintaining the ocean's ecological balance by cleaning up decaying matter. The Japanese spider crab, with its remarkable size and peculiar habits, stands as a testament to the diversity and wonders found in the depths of the ocean. Number 8. The giant squid. The legendary sea monsters, the giant squids, have long captured the imagination with age-old tales of fishing boats grappling with these colossal creatures. Witnessing the size of these epic cephalopods, it's easy to understand the awe they inspire. The largest giant squid ever recorded stretched a monumental 59 feet in length and weighed a ton, presenting the possibility of monstrous calamari rings that would defy belief. It's worth noting that some may even surpass this colossal size, but these elusive invertebrates remain notoriously difficult to study. Scientists often find themselves limited to studying giant squids when they wash up on beaches or are accidentally captured by astonished fishermen. Inhabiting the deep oceans, their behavior remains largely mysterious, with much of their knowledge derived from such chance encounters. It is believed that their diet primarily consists of fish, other squid, and potentially even small whales. These extraordinary creatures are armed with 8 arms and 2 additional tentacles, functioning like hands to convey food into their beaks. One of the most striking features of the giant squid is its colossal eyes, the largest among all creatures on Earth, measuring an impressive 10 inches across. This remarkable adaptation allows them to navigate the dark depths of the sea, enabling them to spot their prey before becoming visible themselves. The giant squid, with its enigmatic nature and astonishing adaptations, stands as a testament to the mysteries still concealed in the depths of the ocean. Number 7. Bill. Meet Big Bill, the heavyweight champion of the porcine world, renowned for setting the world record as the heaviest pig at an astonishing 2,552 pounds in 1993, a title he still holds today. Born in March 1930, under unique circumstances, this Poland China hog grew from a 400-pound piglet to a colossal 1,450-pound behemoth by the spring of 1932. Measuring an astounding 100 inches from nose to tail, standing 47 inches tall and boasting a 13-inch girth from ankle to hoof, Bill's sheer size attracted crowds from far and wide to Chapel Farm, his residence. Despite his obesity causing his belly to drag on the ground, Bill's fame continued to grow, with thousands paying 10 cents each to catch a glimpse of him. His pen had to be enlarged multiple times to accommodate his ever-expanding size. Big Bill's celebrity status extended beyond the farm, with visits to universities and schools for exhibitions. Despite numerous attempts, no one could explain the extraordinary and seemingly inexplicable growth of this remarkable pig. Big Bill remains an enigmatic figure in the annals of porcine history, holding his heavyweight title as the world's largest pig. Number 6. The white rhinoceros. Introducing the white rhinoceros, the largest species of rhino, and the second largest land mammal globally. Despite their name, the term white in white rhino originates from the Afrikaans word wide, meaning wide, referencing the animal's broad mouth rather than its color. These magnificent creatures face a challenging reality, with only 2 northern white rhinos remaining on Earth as of March 2018, both residing in a reserve in Kenya and both being females. The last male of the northern white rhino subspecies passed away in the same year. In contrast, southern white rhinos in central Kenya are faring slightly better, yet they are still threatened and require protection from the persistent threat of poaching. Poachers have driven their northern counterparts to the brink of extinction. The surviving white rhinos can reach substantial sizes, with males measuring between 12 to 13 feet in length, and females ranging from 11.2 to 12 feet. The males, in particular, can weigh an impressive 7,940 pounds, while the females can reach nearly 4,000 pounds. A truly robust unicorn indeed, the white rhinoceros stands as a symbol of both the magnificence of the natural world and the urgent need for conservation efforts to ensure their survival. Before we move on, here's today's subscriber's pick. Take a look at this picture. This saltwater crocodile, a colossal and formidable predator, is a strong contender for the title of most likely to eat a human. Spanning a vast range from India to Australia, these crocodilians are the largest of their kind, with an average length of 17 feet and a weight of 1,000 pounds. Some can grow up to an astonishing 23 feet and weigh 2,200 pounds. Adopting a clever approach, these opportunistic crocodiles lurk just below the water surface near the shore, allowing them to seize unsuspecting animals approaching for refreshment. With swift movements, they capture prey and pull it underwater until it succumbs to drowning. The saltwater crocodile's diet is broad and non-selective, ranging from monkeys to wild boars, water buffaloes to sharks. This apex predator's voracious appetite leaves little room for escape once caught in its powerful bite. Its reputation as a formidable and opportunistic hunter solidifies its status as a dominant force in the wild waters it inhabits. Viewers, I'm sure no one would want to get close to this, Let's know what you think in the comments section. Number 5. The African giant snail. Behold the giant African snail, the largest terrestrial gastropod, adorned with a light to dark brown shell featuring exquisite vertical stripes of a darker hue. These creatures boast a remarkable lifespan, typically living between 5 to 7 years. However, given ample food and favorable weather conditions, they can extend their existence even further. Their impressive shell alone can reach lengths of up to 7.8 inches, standing between 2.7 to 3.9 inches in height. Ever wondered why snails release mucus as they glide along? This slimy secretion serves a purpose beyond eccentricity. It reduces friction and prevents damage to their delicate tissues. Cool, isn't it? Like their snail counterparts, giant African snails seek refuge from predators by retreating into their shells. Interestingly, they also retreat into their shells during chilly nights, reminiscent of seeking warmth under covers on a cold winter night. As the name suggests, these snails are native to Africa, specifically from Mozambique to Kenya and Somalia. However, their introduction to various parts of the world has turned them into one of the most invasive species on the planet. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, the giant African snail stands out as one of the most damaging species for agriculture and crops in the country, making its presence felt far beyond its native continent. Number 4. The green anaconda. In the vast realm of serpents, the green anaconda proudly claims the title of the chunkiest. While it may not stretch as long as its counterpart, the reticulated python, the green anaconda, boasts an impressive girth, often surpassing even the mightiest pythons in weight. As members of the boa family, these colossal reptiles can reach lengths exceeding 29 feet, with a substantial diameter of 12 inches and a weight that can tip the scales at a formidable 550 pounds, sometimes even double the weight of a python. Feeding on substantial prey is essential for these massive serpents to attain their considerable size. Among their favored meals are deer, wild pigs, caimans, and the occasional jaguar. Green anacondas follow the constrictor strategy, lacking venom but compensating with powerful coils. They entwine themselves around their prey, applying pressure until the creature succumbs to asphyxiation. Once victorious, they gulp down their prey whole. Interestingly, it's the females that take the lead in size, showcasing their impressive teeth. Mastering the art of camouflage, green anacondas blend seamlessly into their jungle habitat. Adorned with olive green coloring, dark oval spots along their spines, and yellow spots down their sides, they expertly navigate the vegetation of the rainforest. Their stealthy maneuvers allow them to leap out and ambush unsuspecting prey, showcasing the prowess of these mighty serpents in the heart of the jungle. Number 3. The giant freshwater stingray. Meet the giant stingray, also known as the Y-ray, a creature that has become the stuff of legends, rarely glimpsed but often spoken of in local tales describing colossal 1,000-pound fish. In 2009, the world got wind of the largest catch of this incredible species, documented on an expedition by National Geographic in the waters off Thailand. This colossal catch measured an impressive 2 meters wide and a mighty 6.9 feet or 2.1 meters long. Although the poor creature had lost its tail, had it still been attached, experts estimate it could have measured up to a whopping 5 meters long. While the expedition managed to document the giant stingray's measurements, the weight remained unknown. Speculations suggest it could have weighed at least 450 kilograms, earning its title as the heaviest of its species, previously known to humankind. As scientists continue their exploration and discovery of this enormous fish, the mystery deepens. The true population of giant stingrays remains unknown, leaving room for imagination and the possibility of even larger specimens yet to be found. Perhaps the ones documented so far are just the babies in this watery realm. Number 2. Andean condors. Behold the Andean condor, a majestic giant among the avian realm and one of the largest flying birds on Earth. These impressive creatures, although capable of flight, face a challenge due to their considerable weight. Weighing in at a hefty 33 pounds, with colossal wings spanning up to 10 feet, Taking off requires some extra effort. To overcome this hurdle, Andean condors strategically inhabit windy locales, utilizing air currents to glide with greater ease. These remarkable birds are predominantly found in mountainous regions, as reflected in their name derived from the Andes. However, they also thrive near coastal areas, where ocean breezes provide the same advantageous lift. The Andean condor boasts a predominantly black plumage, with male birds exhibiting a distinctive white collar and wing markings. Additionally, their bald heads make them easily recognizable. These soaring giants navigate the skies with grace, harnessing the power of wind currents to minimize the effort required for flight. In the lofty heights of the mountains and along the coastal breezes, the Andean condor reigns as a symbol of both strength and adaptability in the world of flying behemoths. Number 1. The lion's mane jellyfish. Enter the realm of sea monsters, where the lion's mane jellyfish reigns supreme, boasting dimensions that stretch up to 2.5 meters across, and tentacles that reach an epic 30 meters, equivalent to the length of a blue whale. Aptly named Apple, due to their shaggy appearance resembling a lion's mane, these colossal jellyfish predominantly inhabit the North Pacific and Arctic waters, where they embark on the hunt for small fish and crustaceans. Adding to their mystique, these sea creatures are bioluminescent, meaning they generate their own light and glow in the dark, a captivating yet eerie quality. However, encountering one of these giants may not be as pleasant as it sounds, as they wield a formidable sting. The lion's mane jellyfish employs its potent sting to stun prey before devouring it. With its mouth strategically positioned beneath the bell-shaped body, this jellyfish is a masterful and dangerously efficient hunter, resembling a massive trap ensnaring and stinging with its long tentacles. Despite their fearsome reputation, the sting of the lion's mane jellyfish is not known to be lethal to humans. Nevertheless, it inflicts considerable pain, making it advisable to steer clear and admire these sea monsters from a safe distance. Petting one of these majestic creatures is definitely not recommended. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.